Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be decluttering and reorganizing my makeup. This is just the makeup in my dressing table, but as you can see there is a lot of it, so we've got lots to get through. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So where do we start? There are products everywhere. There's not really a home for anything specific. So today I really want to get that organized and make sure I know where everything is. So yeah, at the moment I'm just taking out these plastic inserts, which I actually bought from IKEA. They're quite old, so I've bought some new ones today, which I'll show you in a bit. But I'm going to take all of that out, empty all of the products and just keep the things that I want and need. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I've got. Once I took all the inserts out, I realised that so many products had fallen to the back of the drawer, so I'm going to take those out as well. It's a bit like a shop my stash today, so I'm going to be able to find some products that I haven't used in a while so I can reuse them, and also chuck a lot of old products out as well, because there's so many products in here that are expired and that I don't use anymore. And look, finally a clear drawer, hallelujah. Now let's fill it back up again. These are the inserts that I bought from IKEA. They're just in the cutlery section and I thought these were nice and clean, and I liked that they were white because the last ones, as you can see, are clear, but I much prefer the white look. So yeah, we've got that. I'm just going to clean any products that I've got like foundation and makeup on, because they do get a little bit mucky sometimes. And at the moment I'm just organising my foundations and concealers. I'm also going to get rid of a few things like that Too Faced bronzer, but I'm going to keep this one and the next one here because those are the ones that I mostly use. And yeah, anything that I don't need I'm going to chuck out, or I'm going to put in another section to give away, because I've got so much stuff, but obviously some things don't suit me, the colourings and things like that, so I don't need to keep them all because they're just sitting there. So I'm going to organise some to throw away and also some to give away. Okay, so let me show you how everything's looking so far. So I've tried to keep my base products all in one section, as you can see here. So we've got foundations, concealers. This is an illuminator, so I'm going to keep that in the face tray. And the other tray is going to be for eyes and lips. I'm still getting rid of products even when I put them into the drawer. This is too light for me, so I'm going to get rid of that one. And, you know, it's just keeping it minimal. I'm trying to keep things minimal here because I can tend to hold on to things just because I think they're pretty, but a lot of the time I don't end up using them. So yeah, anything old is going in the bin. There's like mascaras there that have been there for so long, so they need to go, and same with the eyeliners there. I don't use them anymore, so they need to go in the bin. Now I'm just organising some products to give away. So these products here that are going into the white tray are for like friends and family. They're products that don't suit me in shades that are not my colour. So I'm going to give those away. And I'm also trying to be quite ruthless when it comes to throwing products away, because a lot of them are very old and I've kept them for, I don't really know why I've kept them. I just thought they were pretty, like pigments and things like that. But in fact I've actually got a lot of eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes, so I don't need the pigments. I don't really do my makeup too crazy these days, so I'm being ruthless and getting rid of any pigments and, you know, little products that have either dried up, like eyeliners and things like that. So I'm almost done organising my makeup and the things that I want to keep for myself. Once I've done that, I'm going to clean my dressing table, which is an IKEA Malm dressing table. It's very old, quite ruined now, but I just want to keep it for a little while longer because I'm going to be upcycling a table soon, which I'm going to use in this room. But for now, this will do. The mirror I get a lot of questions about is also from IKEA. Really handy, easy to clean. That's my mirror and that is my table, both from IKEA. Now I'm just going to pop some brand new brushes into a glass jar. The jar is from Poundland. I got 2 of them, and these brushes are from Iconic London. They're brand new and I just thought they looked so beautiful, so I got them out, and I'm actually going to get rid of and clean a lot of my older brushes, but I just thought these looked gorgeous, so I've got them both out. I've got some rose gold ones there and some kind of creamy beige ones, which are beautiful. These are my old brushes. So unorganised, so dirty, I just couldn't deal with having them out. So I'm going to organise the ones that I want to keep, and then I'm going to clean those. But in here as well, I've got some lip liners and things like that. So as you can see, I've just tipped them all out and I'm organising what I want to keep. A lot of the brushes are very old and a little bit scratchy now, so I'm just chucking away any of the ones that are too old and the ones that I don't really use anymore. I'm going to keep the ones I want to keep, wash them and reuse them. Okay, so these are the ones I'm keeping. I haven't got too many there. I found £1 as well, which is handy. I also found some lip products and some eyeliners and a mascara, so I'm going to keep those and pop them in the drawer as well. Finally finished. This is the finished room. It looks so much neater and tidier. I'm so happy with it. I've popped a few skincare products in an acrylic container here, which is also from Poundland, and a few of my favourite lipsticks, and those are my brushes, and this is how the drawer is looking now. So much more organised. I know there's still quite a lot of products there, but these are the products that I will use all the time. So yeah, loving it. We've got some eye products here. So we've got my Bad Girl Bang mascara. I love it. A nice little eyeshadow palette. Also some lip products in the centre there, and at the back I've just put some more primers and face products that I just didn't want to get rid of just yet. So this Zoeva one was just too pretty to get rid of, so I love that as a little highlighter or illuminator. And then we've also got some mini like Benefit products at the back there, Too Faced, and then also this Stila eyeshadow, which is just too pretty to get rid of, and it's just one of those that you'll use for like occasions and that, so I thought that was really gorgeous, so I'm keeping that. I've also got some other big products that I couldn't get rid of, and also some brow products in here. So we've got a palette underneath there, which is my Pixie palette for contouring and things. We've also got highlighters over here, so this is the other drawer. We've got all of my powders, so from bronzers to face powders to blushes, all in that section there. And then we've got my illuminators and glowy kind of products at the back there, and then some more primers and illuminators there. And then the final section are my foundations. Not as many as I used to have. I'm trying to get through them all before I buy new ones at the moment. So yeah, this one here is my favourite. It's the EX1 foundation. As you can see, it's almost gone. No! That is the finished video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know if you'd like to see more things like this, and if you would like to see a room tour. I can do a room tour for you in the future if you'd like to. I'm still finishing the room, but let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Bye!